2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Enjoy the many extra comfort and convenience features included, such as 4-wheel drive, backup camera, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, power outlet, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, traction control, air conditioning, ABS, power locks, front side airbag, front side head airbag, rear side head airbag, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8-cylinder engine. This is a top-rated dealer. Enjoy a test drive and experience it for yourself now.